Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, man? Happy Sunday. Hope everyone is doing great today. I'm just over here just kicking it on this Sunday. Kids are playing, and just want to come on here and share some information with you guys. So we're just going to take a moment here so that way we can rock this out. And we'll let Facebook do its thing so that way we can bring some people on. Got to pull up my other screen so I can see any comments or anything that we may have or whatever the case. So here, let me see something. All right, trying to see if I could tag anyone. All right, so we're gonna let Facebook do its thing, and then as soon as we get some people on here, man, I'm about to go over this because I want to be able to show you. I had kind of spoke about this morning, on the live I did this morning, but I really want to come on here today and kind of show you guys, exactly what I'm talking about because one of the things is that it's easier to talk about it, but it's easier to be able to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about so that things make sense. Thank you. So that things make sense. So we about to kick into it. Kick into it. Give it a few more minutes here. All right, just bear with me one moment. I'll be right back with you guys, okay? All right, all right. What's going on? What's going on? All right, so I'm starting to use StreamYard now. So it's a new platform that I'm using. So I'm trying to get used to rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna be working on this screen, kind of looking here to see how I can definitely get some things set up here for you guys. So just bear with me one moment here. Just kind of rocking it out. Appreciate y'all patience. What's up? What's up, Yes? What's happening? What's going on? All right. So we gonna kick this thing off here in just a moment. Just a moment. All right, all right, all right. Oh no, we don't want to do that. Okay. All right. Like I said, man, I'm just trying to bear with me. Just getting used to this thing. Hey, what's up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? So we got some people on. So here we go, man. So I'm gonna dive into it. Like I said, I spoke about this earlier this morning. I wanted to expand upon that content because I really wanted to be able to show you guys exactly what I meant. I'm gonna share my screen here shortly so that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because I feel like we talk about it. I'm excited about it, but one thing that a lot of people don't do, they don't really show you guys so that way you can see like exactly how this works. So let me go ahead and do this. Go ahead and show you guys. So today's topic is saying why I will never waste money on credit repair companies again. All right, please watch, share if you get some value from this. If anyone shares any of my videos or whatever the case, man, make sure to get back with those people. They put this into a watch party, whatever it is, make sure to get back with those people, okay? Because then they'll be able to get you the information and get things rocking and rolling for you, okay? So hold up real quick, guys. Hold up. All right, cool. All right, so here's the reason why I will never waste money on credit repair companies again. All right. For so long, man, just like everybody else, man, I've dealt with my own fair share of financial crisis, right? So living paycheck to paycheck, dealing with bad credit, just buried under debt, different things like that. So a lot of you guys watching this right now can really relate to what I'm talking about. And for so long, I just dealt with being denied all over the place, having to pay higher interest rates, just no way to really negotiate because my financial situation just really didn't allow me to do that. So for so long, I learned to mentally cope with my financial situation. I had got to a point in my life where I was just like, you know what? this is just what life is going to be for me. I'm just going to continue to be denied. My credit score is never going to reach a 700. I'm never going to be out of debt. So whatever it is, I'm just going to stick to what I'm doing. That was my mindset for all of these years, right? Before having children. When I had children, I didn't know that my financial situation and my decisions on my credit and my debt and all of that stuff would just follow me along throughout the years and become effective in my life after having children. And it's just some of those things, man, where it was like when we go to get an apartment, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling you guys, this is like real. This is my story, right? So I remember moving down here to Texas, and we want to get into apartments. And there are apartments everywhere in the city, okay? But the one thing that they do is they're always running credit, right? They got to check your credit, they got to check your background, different things like that. So every time I would go, we would have to pay application fees just to get denied. You know what I'm saying? And that's the worst feeling as a parent, because when you take your kids to a place and it's a beautiful home, the kids are excited, they're picking out their rooms, different things like that, and then you fill out the application, you hand it in, they do their process, and then they call you back and say, hey, I'm sorry, you did not qualify. And how many of you guys out there have heard that before, right? You don't qualify. Your credit doesn't qualify you for this, right? And you go to get a car, they're excited to talk to you on the phone. They want you to come into the store so that they can show you all the cars. And then when they run your credit, and all of a sudden they're not as excited to see you, because now they got to try to put in work. And then now that car that you wanted, they're trying to veer you away from that because you don't qualify for it. I didn't qualify for the cars that I wanted. I qualified for the cars that they wanted to put me into, which would usually be an older car with high mileage. And then they were trying to make me pay a new car price. Okay. So if you guys understand what I'm saying in this video, guys, drop a 1. Okay. Drop a 1, because this is exactly what's been happening in my life. Let me see some real. All right, cool. So I got that rocking and rolling. Okay, I got two screens rocking and rolling right now. So just bear with me. Okay. So anyways, so this was just my life, and I think a lot of people go through this, and when you just kind of keep hitting dead end after dead end after dead end, you just give up even trying. You know what I'm saying? When you get denied every single time, you just give up even trying. And it just, that becomes your way of life, your way of thinking. And that's what happened for me. So as we were going along, I would used to hear my wife always talking about, like, oh man, I wish we could get into this house and everything. And but maybe one day when we win the lottery, we could pay off everything and then we'll be straight, different things like that. And as a man, that kind of hurts, because you can't provide your wife with the things that she deserves in life because of decisions that you made in your past that are affecting your financial situation. So, we would do things like sit down and go to Zillow.com and look at all of these different houses and all of these things, just so that way we can enjoy that moment, like looking in houses and doing those things. But the reality it was that we were so far away from that, and we did not know how to overcome that hump. So just like anybody else, we seeked help. We needed help. How do we fix this situation? How do we overcome this to be able to do more for our family? And I will be looking at different things. I will be on social media. I'll be doing some research. And when you come across these credit repair companies, they sound amazing, right? They sound amazing. Like, it seemed like this is the solution to everything. Let me go ahead and connect with them, see what they're doing. Let's put the money into it so that way they can get our credit fixed and everything like that. So, I sat down with my wife one day and I was like, hey, I think that we can definitely do something like this. Let's check it out. At first, she was a little nervous, because we really didn't have the money to pump into credit repair, adding an extra bill, right? Per se. But I knew we needed to do something, and we needed to make some sacrifices. So I was like, listen, let's check this out. Let's see what's going on. Let's get started with this credit repair company, right? So what ended up happening was we got started, and we did everything they told us. And now we're paying the monthly fee, right? almost a couple $100 a month we're paying into this credit repair company. Almost $1,000 into it, guys, we started to notice that not a lot was changing for us. Not a lot was changing for us. So hold up real quick, guys. So you know what I'm saying? So not a lot was changing for us, but we were continuously paying this monthly fee, right? We continue. Hold up, let me shut my door real quick. Cool. Sorry about that, guys. Had to shut my door. So we started seeing that we were paying this money every month, and we were doing the things and sending the documents that were needed. But then we started noticing, like, month after month after month. So we were like 4 months in, you know what I'm saying? Like almost paying that couple $100, and we weren't seeing the results. Like, it was just like, it was hurting. So we ended up having to make an executive decision, like, okay, do we continue to do this? How long do we continue to do this before we say enough is enough, right? And after almost a year going in, almost $1,000 pumped into it, we decided that we weren't getting results. I only seen a couple of things removed from my credit, and then from that point, it was, I mean, I think I got like a 20-point increase, but then, like, the stuff that they removed ended right back up on my credit. So then my credit score just took a nosedive once again. So at that point, like, I was just kind of like I was messed up because we just threw this money in. So I kind of looked like we felt like we wasted money, we wasted time. And after that, I was over it. I just wanted to throw in the towel. I was like, man, I'm finished. But you know what I'm saying? But that just kind of put me back where I was before, back at the drawing boards. What do I do now? How do I get my credit fixed? What do I do? I need help. Like, I try reaching out to friends. I'm trying to look online. I'm doing all of these things. But now I'm a little nervous now because I had a bad experience with a credit repair company that didn't, that pretty much overpromised and underdelivered. So, like, I'm at this point where I'm just super frustrated. So anything that's coming at me, I'm just like not budging. I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm just like shutting it down. Until I came across this information, I'm gonna share with you guys today. And that's something that I want to show you guys real quick. Just kind of dive into it. So for anybody that's been on my page, man, there's no secret. The name of the company is MWR Financial. Okay. What makes MWR Financial different is that they're not just a credit repair company. They are a full financial solutions company that really provides you with the strategies and the experts that's needed to fulfill all of your financial needs, right? So not just credit, but we take care of helping you to stop overpaying in taxes. The experts help you fix, restore, and maintain your credit. They help you get out of debt by putting a plan of action together to help you pay your debt down in record time. Then we have experts as we're taking care of the taxes and the credit and the debt. Now we're shifting money back into your household. Now they are going to show you how to take that additional income and how to invest so that way your money can start growing, right, and working for you. So when I looked into this at first, I thought it was another credit repair company. I almost said no based on my experience from the credit repair company that I was with, until one of my really good friends said, hey, let me just invite you to a webinar so you can see this information, Derrick. And so that way you can see everything. So that way you're not just focused just on credit, because it's bigger than credit repair. I was like, all right, cool. So that's when I dove into it and I looked in and I was like, oh my gosh, I could not believe what I was seeing. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. And for the price, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like, where has this been? I wish somebody would have showed me that a year ago. You know what I'm saying? When I was spending all this money on the credit repair companies, I would have been able to put this money and save myself some money. But nonetheless, but let me share. I'm just going to share my screen with you guys because I really want to show you this, because I think that if we just kind of, and I'm gonna briefly go through this because we're gonna have some webinars that we can invite you to so you can see it further. I just want to kind of skim through some of the things that you get real quick so that way you kind of have a better understanding. All right. So when I seen MWR Financial, once again, I thought that it was just a credit repair company. So that was kind of my thoughts until I saw the webinar. And then when I saw that they had 4 core services that they offered that was not just credit repair, because what you'll learn, guys, is that when you have bad credit, all of these things work together, right? So if you got bad credit, that means that you have debt, right? So if you accumulate debt that doesn't get paid for, this is what affects your credit. And then most of the people who fall into this category are people who work jobs that are overpaying in taxes, things like that. So all of this stuff that they offer is genius because it's everything that people are dealing with financially. So that's something that really stuck out to me. And when I came in, so the first thing here, let me show you guys this, right? So the first thing was the money max, right? So the money max was showing you guys here. This is a tax reduction strategy. So these are experts that's going to help you guys reduce the amount of taxes that's taken out your check. I don't know about you guys, but how many of you right now would love to stop overpaying in taxes? Okay. I want you to drop a 1 at the bottom if you would love to stop overpaying in taxes. All right. Here's another question for you. How would you like to shift that money back into your check? How would you like to give yourself a pay raise by following these strategies? Well, that's exactly what happened for me, guys. My testimony, I started last year, March 17th. When I got started, I did exactly what the experts asked me to do. I uploaded my last 2 pay stubs, my most recent tax return. And what they did was they adjusted the W-4 for me. They filled out the information, sent it back to me. I took it to my job, and I ended up getting an additional $450 a month added to my check. An extra $450 a month added into my check. I didn't have to talk to nobody, I didn't have to do nothing else. That was exactly what happened. So, and I'm gonna show you guys here. So you see this part right here where it says instant pay raise. So I'm about to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So here, let me go in here. Okay, my services. All right, cool. So let's go in here. Boom. I'm about to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about as soon as this goes through. Oh, it seems like it's taking forever. Sorry about that, guys. I know what's going on. Maybe because we got a lot going on. So as soon as it clicks over. All right. All right. All right. Here, let me turn this off. All right. There we go. All right. Cool. All right. So it says right here, it's like to get the instant pay raise. So this is what you're gonna see when you get started. This is like your first step. The reason why this is your first step because, and let me show you this. Let me see if I can blow this up for y'all because I want y'all to actually see it. So let me get it a little closer, y'all can see. So strategy number 1 says stop overpaying, and in parentheses says for W-2 employees, with the 3-year review by completing the steps below, our tax experts will review your information and provide you with a corrected W-4 form so you can stop overpaying the IRS and keep or get more of your hard-earned money now. Okay. So they're showing you, and then also they're saying, hey, we'll also review your last 3 years of tax returns because there may be some extra money in there that was missed that we can get to you, right? So they're actually going to do that. So it tells you right here. So after you upload, look, it says step 1, upload your most recent tax returns and the last 2 pay stubs. Okay, this is how simple it is. That's all you have to upload to them. It says allow 2 to 3 business days for our experts to review your uploads and provide you with a corrected W-4 form. So they're going to do the work for you, and then they're going to upload it in the center. And then all you have to do is download and print the corrected W-4 form, provide it to you and your spouse. So both of you guys are included on this membership. So just imagine if both of you guys work jobs, you can get an instant pay raise, right? And give it to your employer or HR staff so you can start receiving your tax savings / pay raise on your very next paycheck. So they showing you right here, like our experts are saying, hey, we do the work for you. All we need from you is your last 2 pay stubs and your most recent tax return. So they're showing you that right there. It gets no easier than this, man. Like I'm telling you guys, it gets no easier than this. So here, let me zoom back out a little bit. All right. So then as far as that, so that takes care of that portion. Then we got Credit Max. Credit Max is the experts that's going to help you guys fix, restore, and maintain your credit. Now, this alone, standing next to credit repair companies, makes things a world of difference, because credit repair companies are there to fix your credit, but they don't teach you strategies on how to maintain it, the do's and the don'ts, so that way people don't make irrational decisions after they get their credit fixed. A lot of times when people get those 700 plus credit scores, the one thing that they're going to do, man, they're going to run out there and they are going to just dive into financing things, getting credit cards, doing all of this stuff, and within 6 to 12 months they credit score going to take a nosedive. And when it takes a nosedive, guess what? What did they truly learn? That when my credit score take a nosedive, where am I going to run? I'm going to run back to the credit repair companies because I'm looking for a quick fix. All right. And what I love about Credit Max is that the experts are not there just to fix your credit and send you off. They're there to help you fix, restore, and maintain your credit. So this is nice because before you make any decisions that's going to affect your credit, you can reach out to your experts and make sure it's the right decision. And if it's not, they're going to point you in the right direction to achieve what you're trying to achieve without affecting your credit. I think that is truly amazing right there. Truly amazing. When I got started with this, guys, check it out. Like I said before in my story, I spent almost $1,000 on credit repair to get very little back. When I started with this membership for me and my wife, within 10 days of me uploading my credit reports to the experts, within 10 days, I had an 80-point increase, and they removed the repo off of my credit report. Man, I was blown away because I was like, oh my God, I never seen my credit score jump like that. And then they removed the repo off of my credit report. Like, it was absolutely crazy, man. It was nuts, right? So this brings us over to Equity Max, right? Equity Max is a debt elimination strategy. So once again, if you got bad credit, you have debt. Okay, that just goes hand in hand, right? So what's really awesome about this, guys, is that we have experts that are going to put strategies together, a detailed plan of action to help you eliminate all of your debts in record time. So I don't know about y'all and having debt, but how long have you been paying on things and you probably been looking at your debt like, damn, I'm never going to pay this off. Never going to pay this off, right? Well, the experts come in and all you have to do is upload everything that you owe. You send it over to them. They're going to send you a monthly statement. Here's the key, guys. They send you a monthly statement, everything lined up on what to pay, when to pay it, without you having to spend any more money than you're already spending. Okay. And they give you an end date on when you're going to be out of debt. Oh man, that blew me up, man. When I seen that, I was like, dude, that's so exciting, because now when you can actually look at it and you have a date that you can look forward to, when you know that when you pay this off, you're going to be out of debt and free that money up to come back into your household, guys, that is exciting. That is exciting. And I was like, my gosh, man, this is like everything that I've been looking for, man. Everything that I've been looking for. And now as you are, getting your credit better so that way you can start to lower, you're getting your credit better, you're reducing the taxes. So that's going to help put more money into your household, right? As you're getting your credit fixed, right? The higher the credit, the lower the interest rates, right? And insurance premium. So now you can shift that money back into your household as the experts are helping you eliminate debt, and you're freeing up that money and it's going into your household. Oh, you thought we were finished? Absolutely not. Now we have experts that's going to show you how to take that additional cash flow that's been shifted back into your homes, and they're going to show you how to put a wealth generation plan together utilizing these strategies, and show you guys how to save, grow, and protect your money tax free with no risk of loss. Okay. Show you how to save, grow, protect your money with no risk of loss. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not no banker or no expert, but I know some people that have IRAs. And with this thing happening with the coronavirus, the hit that a lot of people have taken with their IRAs, man, I've been seeing it all over the place. Okay. With this, man, I'm telling you, with the experts, man, your money is going to grow. If the stock market drops, then your money stays the same. When the market goes back up, your money continues to go, guys. That is the way to truly start building towards your retirement, your kids' college fund, and really being able to leave a legacy behind for your family long after you're gone. So all of these things work hand in hand. Now, You may not be excited about this stuff right now because we never had access to things like this. They didn't teach us this stuff in school. We never had no access to things like this because only the wealthy could afford things like this, right? So I was like, man, this is truly amazing. So I got started and just really started sharing it after I got my results, right? Here's something that really stuck out to me. So there's two sides to MWR Financial, and this is what I love most about it, right? And what really made me get started. So often beside the amazing services, they got a business side. And what I love about the business side, most people are like, oh, snap, you got to invest in the business and things, or it's online or whatever. But you got to see the true opportunity here because they are paying you to literally go out here and do exactly what you would do anyways, even if there was no business involved, right? So if you went and you got a pay raise at your job, how many people could you tell that work jobs that would love to have extra money in their check, right? If you got your credit score jumped and you seen it jump up, man, how many other people struggling with credit that you could go and share this information with? People that's in debt, and you show them how they put a game plan together for you to get out of debt. How many people in debt that would love to know that information, right? How many people would love to know how to really start investing so they can start preparing for their retirement, right? So this is just something that I get excited about and sharing this information with this. So what happened was when I got into the business, this really blew my mind. Okay. We got 10 different ways that we get paid in this business, which is unheard of, man. We get paid daily, we get paid weekly, we get paid monthly. I mean, it just blows my mind. Okay. And we could talk about that on another one. But here's what really got me, guys, is that they put a guaranteed plan of action together for you. All right. For your guaranteed success, or you get your money back. And this is what I love most about it because so many people are afraid to invest in business because they've had horror stories. They don't know if it works, things like that. And a lot of people have lost money, investing in the business. Well, guys, I am here to tell you today that you don't have no worries about that. Okay. Have no worries. If you want to get started in the business, let me show you why you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So let me share my screen real quick again. Because I'm about to show y'all. Like I said, I'm all about showing you guys like what's going on. Okay. All right. So this is the plan of action right here, guys. This is it right here. This right here sealed the deal for me. It sealed the deal for me because when I came in here, I was like, these services are amazing. The experts do all the work. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to pretend to be an expert. I don't have to send. All I have to do is upload the information that these experts need, and they do all of the work. Then when they said they had a business side and they showed me that I could get paid to share my results and help other people, I was like, that's a no-brainer because I'm already excited about the results that I got and I didn't have to put in the work. So you mean to tell me that I get paid, right? I get paid with a business where 90% of the work is done for me, and all I have to do is share my results with people. I use the services, right? Get my results and then share my results with other people and then get them plugged in. I was like, that's it. I'm in there. So then I started looking into the plan of action. And guys, here it goes right here. So we're gonna dive into this real quick. I'm gonna go through these. So as you can see right at the top, it says MWR Financial Plan of Action. It says follow these steps below for your guaranteed success or your money back. So right there, guys, this is a company that stands behind what they do and what our experts bring to the table. Okay, this is where it's at, right? So step number one, just like I showed you guys, get your instant pay raise. If you are a W-2 employee or business owner, please complete the instant pay raise steps provided in your Financial Edge portal to see how much money our experts can help you add to your very next paycheck or save you in taxes. During this process, you can also upload the last 3 of your tax returns so that way our experts can see if there's even more money that you can get back. Believe it or not, guys, you probably been going to H&R Block and all these different places, and getting your taxes done, and maybe they missed out on some things, man. That's your money. You should go check that out. Step number two. Step number two tells you to enroll in Credit Max to maximize your credit. It says upload your credit reports. So our credit restoration experts, once again, the experts do all the work, right? Experts do all the work so they can begin working on getting your credit scores back in the best shape possible. This can potentially allow you to reduce interest rates, right? So that's shifting some money back into your household, monthly payments, and even your car and home owner's insurance premium. So as these things, as your scores going up, these things are going down. Now you can free up some more money that's shifted back into your household, guys. So this is something that's really exciting. This is step number two. Step number three says get started with your Equity Max to begin eliminating your debt. So once again, this will give you a monthly plan of action to eliminate your debts in record time while potentially saving you tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest alone, guys. And best of all, Equity Max allows you to do this without having to spend one dime more than what you're already doing right now. So right there, guys, that is powerful. You know what I'm saying? The experts come in and they put a game plan together for you to help you eliminate that debt in record time. You don't have to think about it. You don't got to put it together. Just get them the details that they ask for, and you can start rocking and rolling, baby. You can start rocking and rolling and getting these things going, and they're going to put a game plan together, and you don't have to spend one dime more. Guys, this is powerful. Next thing is, guys, is getting your money making money for you. So this is the Wealth Max, right? Setting up a private reserve account to see how experts can help you become your own private bank and provide you with the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money. Best of all, tax-free with no risk of loss. Guys, this is powerful, man. And they're going to teach you how about land banking. This is where your money is going to work for you, man. This right here, this is where it gets fun because now you can get your money working for you, okay? So next thing is, here it is right here. So after you went through, look, step number 1, 2, 3, and 4 is all based around you using the services. It's all based around you using the services. So you don't even have to, you don't have to think about it. It's all about you using the services and getting results. When you get results, guys, guess what? All they're saying is share your success with others to start building your MWR financial business. This can help you earn a residual income that can eliminate the cost of your business and membership while allowing you to accelerate the wealth building process by simply sharing with others your results, your success with other people. This is what we get paid to do. On top of the money that helps shift it in our household, guys, it gets no easier than this. You ain't have to put in the work. You ain't have to do nothing. They saying share your results so people can see that this actually works. Bring them on board. Let's help them, and we gonna pay you, guys. This is powerful. And then it just says here to use the additional cash flow that the experts help you get to help accelerate your Equity Max debt elimination plan. So that'll help you put more money towards your debt to make things move a little bit faster, to clear up that debt and free up that money and shift it back into your household. And this is what it's all about. So this is the 6 steps. The 6 steps to your guaranteed success of your money back. But here is where it got really real for me. When I read those steps, I'm like, that's easy enough because I can definitely do that. But let me show you this. It says here, our guarantee. So I'm right here. Y'all see me now. I'm right here. Our guarantee. Let me show you what this says. It says, in order to qualify for a guarantee, you must be an active MWR financial consultant with the Financial Edge membership, and you must complete the applicable steps above within 30 days of your enrollment date. If during this period, our experts, strategies, or opportunity are unable to help you and your spouse save or make more money, you may request a full refund. All right? A full refund. A full refund. Now, let me highlight that. A full refund. Oh, man, won't even let me do that. Won't let me highlight it. A full refund. So you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose, guys. Because either way you winning, right? If you come in here and you make more money, are you going to be mad that you invested? If you come in here and see the results and your credit score going up and you got an instant pay raise at your job, are you going to be upset that you got started? Absolutely not. But if it didn't work out for you and you didn't get results and they put that money back in your hand, are you going to be upset that you got that money back in your hand? Absolutely not, because you didn't lose anything. Okay. This right here really opened up my eyes, and I was just super excited. I was super, super excited about that, because I just kind of felt like it was just that thing that I was like, man, we need to do that. Look, so I just shared some things with you guys here, because I really wanted you to see exactly why I'm excited, why so many other people are excited, and why I will never waste my money with credit repair companies again. I would never pay someone, pay these companies that over promise and under deliver ever again, man, because I finally found something that is truly helping me and so many other people out, which is the reason why I'm sharing this. Now, if you don't want to be in the business, that's perfectly fine. We're not here to pressure you to be in the business. You could just be a customer. Our membership includes you and your spouse. So go ahead and get you a membership and get started today, right? Go ahead and start letting these experts start working on your financial situation. Here's what's really cool. If you decide to just be a customer, we do have an amazing referral program that you guys can be a part of, an amazing referral program. And that program says if you refer 3 people and they get the membership, your membership is absolutely free. So it's a great way for you to go out here and spread the word and help other people, so that way you don't have to pay for that membership. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, man, today. I hope that this really opened up your eyes. We're going to be doing more webinars to really dive a little bit deeper, but I really want to kind of just share my testimony and why I choose not to waste my money with credit repair companies when this company is far less money and is jam-packed with way more value. I've seen the results. It has worked for me. I've been utilizing this for over a year now, and I'm just here to share this with you guys to let you know that if you've been looking for a solution to those problems, I'm telling you, man, this is where it's at. Come check us out. If anybody shared this video on their page, make sure to reach back out to them so they can send you those details. But I'm telling you guys, you do not want to miss this. I hope that you see this video before you go blasting this money into these companies to not see any results. Come on over here where your investment's protected. Come check us out. And like I said, if you don't see the success after following the steps that I just read off to you guys, you get your money back. No harm, no foul, and we're good to go there. Okay. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this live. Stay tuned to this page, man, because I'm gonna be sharing and sharing and sharing. Like, I'm gonna keep on bringing this information and bringing this information so people open up their eyes to see that this right here, guys, is where you want to be. This right here is where you want to be. All right. So you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thank you for tuning in live. I appreciate you guys. If you check this thing out on the replay, hashtag replay, let me know where you're chiming in from. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Like I said, if anybody else shared this video, put it in a watch party, make sure to get back with those people so they can send you those details. But other than that, guys, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Appreciate you guys taking the time to listen in on this, and I hope this brings you value, and I definitely look forward to locking arms with you soon. All right, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you later.